Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This beautiful blue metallic bike just arrived with only 1,300 or 1,700 miles on it. Really excellent condition. It's got a fender eliminator. Come on by, make your Ninja 400 dreams come true for just $49.99. This 400cc twin is fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful lightweight sport bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.